Today we see the first chapter in physics, that is units and measurements. Physics is a quantitative science where we measure various physical quantities while performing the experiments. Experiments and measurements forms the basis of physics. In physics, we measure various physical quantities like area, length, mass of objects, volume of liquids, and the amount of matter. So the measurements always involves standard measuring unit which is internationally accepted. So the physical quantities requires unit. So the definition of unit is the standard measure of any quantity is called unit of that quantity. Or another definition of unit is the reference standard used for the measurement of any physical quantity is called unit of that quantity. So this any physical quantity that can be measured and expressed in terms of number and units. For example, we take this rod and this length of rod is suppose 5 meter. Now here standard unit used is the meter and this 5 it gives the number. So the length of the rod is 5 times larger than the certain standard unit called the meter. Now if we measure the another physical quantity like mass of object, suppose it is 2 kg. So 2 is the number and kilogram it is the unit of the mass. So different quantities are expressed in different units. For example, length it is measured in meter, mass is measured in kilogram, time is measured in second. So the unit means the standard measure of any quantity is called unit of that quantity. Or another definition of unit is the reference standard used for the measurement of physical quantity is called unit of that quantity. Now we see the requirements or properties of good unit. So first requirements or properties of good unit is it should be easily available. Second requirement is it should be invariable. This means that unit should not change with time or space. Third requirement is it should be universally accepted. Universally accepted. And fourth requirement is it should be reproducible and not perishable. So requirements or properties of good units are: first requirement is it should be easily available. Second, it should be invariable, that is, it should not change with time or space. Third requirement is it should be universally accepted. And fourth is it should be reproducible and not perishable. So these are the requirements or properties of good unit. Then the next point is system of units. System of units. You know about the units means the standard measure of any physical quantity is called unit of that quantity. So these units mainly classified into two groups. First group is fundamental units and second is derived units. And system of units means the set of fundamental units and derived units is called system of units. The set of fundamental units and derived units is called system of units. In 1832, the scientist Gauss suggested to select any three physical quantities as fundamental quantities, such as length, mass and time, and its base units or fundamental units forms the system of units. So first system is CGS system. CGS system. C stands for centimeter, G stands for gram, and S stands for second. So centimeter, it is the base unit of length. Gram, it is the base unit of mass. And second, it is the base unit of time. So this system is known as centimeter, gram, second system, short CGS system. Then second system of units is called MKS. So M means meter and it is the base unit of length. K means kilogram, and kilogram, it is the base unit of mass, and S stands for second, and this is the base unit of time. So this is known as the MK system, means meter kilogram second system. So CGS system and MK systems, these are the metric systems. Then third system is FPS system. FPS system. So F, it is known as foot, and it is the base unit of length. P stands for pound, and it is the base unit of mass, and S stands for second, and it is the base unit of time. So the FPS system means foot, pound, second system. It is also called as the British system. So the FPS system, it is used in the country Great Britain and the countries under British rule. So these three systems, CGS, MKS and FPS, these are replaced by the fourth system. Its name is SR. System International. CGS system, MK system and FPS system, they are replaced by SI system in 1971. 14th International General Conference on Weights and Measures recommended the use of international system of units, and that is known as the SI units. So this system is a SI units use the decimal system. Conversion within this system is very simple and convenient. So the international system of units is used all over the world to exchanging the scientific information all over the world. So this is about the system of units. It consists CGS system, MK system, FPS system and SI system. Today's homework: define unit. What are the requirements or properties of good unit? Next question: what is the system of units? Explain it.